I'm here at Disney Springs because I heard there's new Orange Bird and Figment friendship bracelets. Apparently they debuted it in Disney World. Now I don't know if they're just in the parks or if they're in Disney Springs as well. So I'm gonna go check World of Disney, see what they have, maybe find other things as well. So come join me. Okay, I'm in World of Disney now. Let's see if we can find them. Let's see. I can see the keychains. Okay, so far I've only seen keychains. I just don't know where they would sell friendship bracelets at in the World of Disney. Okay, I found like actual jewelry, but I didn't find friendship bracelets, so I don't know if they're here or not. Oh my god, you guys, I found them. They are here at Disney Springs. Let me show you. It's Figment. We have the Figment one right here. Oh my god, and there's a little image of him. So cute. Now this one's for Dapper Danielle. Here is Orange Bird. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. These are really cute. I like these. They're 20 bucks just for friendship bracelets. That's insane. That's insane. They also have Mickey and Minnie. I think this is Tinkerbell. I think. We have It's a Small World. Love that. Let's see what's else down here. We got, ooh, Sweet. We got Happy Place. These are cute. Now these feel like, to me, these feel like more like friendship bracelets than the, what's the brand ones called? I was thinking of the Little Worlds project. That's what it's called. I think the price of these bracelets though are a little bit insane though. I got it. But why did they have to put it in this giant bag though? You know what? It actually looks good. It's very comfy. It's not worth 20 bucks though. I think the pricer needs to be cheaper.